Okay. If omega is not equal to 1, is a complex cube root of unity, and matrix H is equal to omega 0 0 omega, then H raised to 70 is equal to what here? First option is H, second option is a 0, third option is a minus H, and the fourth option is a H square. Okay. So just observe here, H is a given matrix here. Then what happens H square here? H square is a H into H here. H into H. Therefore this equal to omega 0 0 omega into omega 0 0 omega, and multiply row with the column here. Hence this is equal to omega into omega becomes omega square. 0 into 0 becomes 0 plus 0. Then multiply row with the column. Omega into 0 is 0. 0 into omega is 0. So plus 0. Then multiply this with the column here. 0 into omega is 0. Then plus omega into 0 is 0. Then multiply row with the column here. 0 into 0 becomes 0. Then plus omega into omega is omega square. Therefore, here this is equal to what here? Omega square 0 0 and omega square. Okay. And if suppose if you take H cube here, just check it here. H cube is H square into H here. H square is omega square 0 0 omega square into H is omega 0 0 omega. Then this is equal to multiply the row with the column here. Omega square to omega, it is omega cube here. 0 into 0 becomes 0. So write here 0. Omega square into 0 is 0. 0 into omega is 0. Is 0. 0 into omega becomes 0. Then plus omega square into 0 is 0. Then 0 into 0 becomes 0. Then plus omega square to omega, it is omega cube here. Hence this is equal to what here? Omega cube 0 0 omega cube. So H is this matrix here. H square is this matrix. H cube is this matrix. In general, we can write here H raised to n. H raised to n becomes omega raised to n 0 0 omega raised to n. Then n is 70 or H raised to 70. Yeah, we want H raised to 70. Therefore, H raised to 70 is equal to omega raised to 70 0 0 omega raised to 70. Then you know that omega cube is always 1 here. Omega raised to 70 can be written as omega raised to 3 raised to 70 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, then 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 1. So therefore raised to 23 into omega. Okay, here 23 into 3 becomes 69. 69 plus 1 means this one here. Okay, omega raised to 1 is there. So 3 into 23. 3 into 23 and remainder is 1. So that omega raised to 1 here. Obviously this becomes 1 here. 1 into omega becomes omega. Yes sir, omega raised to 70 becomes omega. Omega 0 0 omega here. Then obviously this is H only. So therefore this is equal to H here. So first option is correct. H is answer. Okay. Here again if omega is not equal to 1 is a cube root of unity, then here determinant is equal to what here? In this case just adding here R1 and R3. first row and third row here. Therefore, second and third row keep as it is. So, second row elements are 1 minus I minus 1 and omega square minus 1 here, minus of I minus 1 plus omega minus I minus of 1 here. Keep as it is here. Only first two elements changes here. So this plus this means 1 minus I here. It is 1 minus I. Then this plus this means 1 and 1 cancels here. Then omega square plus omega and minus I plus I cancels here. Okay. Therefore, omega plus omega square is what here? Minus of 1. Okay. Just observe here. 1 plus I plus omega square minus 1 plus omega minus of I. 1 and 1 cancels. Plus I minus I cancels. Omega square plus omega, then obviously it is a minus 1 here, because you know 1 plus omega plus omega square is a 0. Then omega plus omega square is a, take one right hand side here, it is minus 1, so it is a minus 1 here. Then this plus this here, and so omega square minus 1 here. So in a determinant, if 2 rows or 2 columns are identical, then value of the determinant is 0. So 2 rows are identical here, so value of the determinant is 0 here. Yes, first option is correct here. If x, y, z be greater than 1, then the value of this determinant is, first option is log x, log y, log z. Second option log x plus log y plus log z. Third option is 0, and the fourth option 1 minus log x, log y, log z. Here we are using properties of logarithm here. Okay, you know that there is one property here, log of a to the base b. Okay, log a to the base b can be written as log of a to the base e divided by log of b to the base e. This is a property of logarithm here. And also log of e to the base e is always 1 here. Log e to the base e is always 1. Even you can write log e to the base e as log of e to the base e divided by log of e to the base e, because log a and log e cancels, the remaining is 1 here. Hence log a to the base a is always 1 here. Therefore, here this 1 can be written as, just observe here, base x is there, here also base x. So this 1 can be written as log x divided by log of x here. Even you can take a base e or keep as it is here. It is understood here. Log x upon log x is 1. Log y to the base x, using this property here, log of y divided by log of x here. Log z to the base x is log z divided by log of x here. Okay, and log x to the base y is then log of x divided by log y, and this 1 can be written as log y divided by log y, and log z to the base y is log of z divided by log of y. Log x to the base z is there, yes, log of x divided by log of z here. Log y to the base z, log of y divided by log of z here. And this 1 can be written as log z divided by log of z. Okay, this is a determinant here. Okay, then this is equal to, from first row 1 by log x common here. From second row 1 upon log y common, and from third row 1 upon log z is the common factor here. Therefore 1 divided by log of x into log of y into log of z here, common factor here, into determinant here. Okay, here 1 by log x common here, so log x, log y, log z here, remaining terms. 1 upon log y common here, again here log x, log y, log of z here. Here 1 by log z common here, hence log x, log y, and log of z here. Just observe here, all the three rows are identical, then obviously the value of the determinant is 0. 0 into determinant is 0. Therefore here 0 is the answer here. Third option is correct, C. Okay, if x, y, z are not equal and not equal to 0, not equal to 1, the value of this determinant is what here? Okay, in this case we can use the formula again, the Lagrangian property here. Log of u minus of log of v is equal to log of u divided by v, log u divided by v. Okay, therefore this minus this here, r2 gives here r2 minus r1, and r3 gives here r3 minus r1 here. Therefore only second and third row not changes here, sorry, changes, but keep as it is here. So log of x, log y, log z here, but keep as it is here. Then r2 minus r1 means this minus this here, log 2x minus log x here. So just observe here, log of 2x minus of log x is equal to log of 2x divided by x here, it gives log of 2x. X and x cancels. Therefore, this minus this is a log 2. This minus this, again it is a log 2 here. This minus this, log of 2. Then this minus this, log of 3 here. This minus this, log of 3. This minus this, again it is a log of 3. So from second row log 2 common factor, from third row log 2 is the common factor. Therefore this is equal to log 2 into log of 3. So determinant of log x, log y, log z here. And right here 1, 1 and 1. Here 1, 1 and 1 here. Then obviously these two rows are identical here. Value of the determinant is 0. 0 into any term is 0 here. Hence again C is the answer here. Okay, if E into the matrix e raised to x, e raised to y, e raised to y, e raised to x is equal to 1, 1, 1 and 1. Then the value of x and y respectively. Okay, so therefore take this e inside here, means multiply each element by e. And you know the laws of indices here, a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. Okay, therefore e into e raised to x here, e raised to x into e, because e raised to x plus 1 here. Like that, take e inside here. This into this becomes e raised to x plus 1 here. This into this e raised to y plus 1. This into this e raised to y plus 1. This into this here e raised to x plus 1 here. Okay, this is a matrix here. And each element here 1, 1 and 1, 1 here. You know that a raised to 0 is always 1 here. Hence, this 1 can be written as e raised to 0, e raised to 0, e raised to 0 and e raised to 0. Then equate it here, x plus 1 equal to 0. Similarly, y plus 1 is a 0. Hence, x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 1. So, first option is correct. Minus 1, minus 1.